What's the meaning of Accelerator Card? Accelerator Card. Accelerator Card. Accelerator Card. Accelerator Card. Accelerator Card. An accelerator card is a hardware device that can be plugged into a computer to improve its performance. Accelerator cards are used for a variety of tasks, including cryptocurrency mining, artificial intelligence, AI, and big data analysis. They can also be used to improve the performance of video games and other graphics-intensive applications. Accelerator cards typically contain specialized processors that are designed for specific tasks. For example, an accelerator card for cryptocurrency mining will contain a large number of small processors that are optimized for performing mathematical calculations. Accelerator cards can provide a significant performance boost over a standard computer, and they are often used by businesses and organizations that need to process large amounts of data or run demanding applications.